So we're here, Chatham Marina, leaving in about an hour. Boat's all ready, just giving it a hose down, and it's looking good. Looks like we've got downwind for a few days. Good way to start off. Our battery's nearly flat, doesn't matter.
I feel like you need some sort of wrist strap for that so that it doesn't fall off. Okay.
If you're there first, get me a cold one on. And if we're there first, we'll get you a cup of tea. See you, pal. Cheers then, guys. Sheep. You want it? Cool. Perfect.
I just want my tea back.
Also, people.
Okay, Marky on the helm, being given orders by Thea.
Yeah, keep doing that.
Aye aye, Captain.
Keep doing that. Go there.
What have we got in there? But
In the
Thea, what's in it? It looks shockingly good.
so that's yogurt and lemon and a bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, rocket, dill, coriander, parsley, tomatoes, bell peppers, green apples, ham, what we have, dried berries and nuts, and I just have some sesame thing on top. Oh, and garlic and onion. I don't know what it is.
Okay, I can't film it anymore. I need to start eating. Thank you very much. That's very kind
I
of
hope
you.
it's good. No, let's see first. It might need.
What are we doing then, Paul? How fast are we going? How much wind?
Doing 8 knots and 19 knots of wind.
Oh really? Is it 19 knots now?
On a beam reach, and we're down the lower side.
Very good.
So, should be there around lunchtime.
About 10 minutes I think at this rate. How are you feeling? Thea, how are you feeling?
Absolutely wonderful. I thought I was signing up for a lot of tossing and turning today, but no, absolutely all good.
Just very calm and chill, isn't it?
I'm looking forward to what somebody else is preparing for our meals
Oh,
tonight.
A little bit more than that. A little bit more. Yeah, that's good.
Number one, it wasn't
like a
quite
handle?
early. It was already the end of my shift.
Oh yeah.
But also I needed to take a shit.
Did you say about shit?
What are we eating tonight, Thea?
I'm gonna make coconut
You're making
ginger
use of
chicken
the
with a
hot
lot of
chili
vegetables,
juice one?
and then we have some garlic basmati rice.
Wow.
The hot chili oil. Won't the chili burn away?
Okay, not much wind, so we'll wing and wing. What are we doing exactly now? What's the speed now? Is it the same?
It's actually a bit less.
We look better though.
Definitely sexier.
Good morning. So we're here in Whitby. We are on, I think this is Friday today, so we had 3 fantastic sails up from Chatham, averaging 7 knots, well over 10 at times, and then we had a really slow time getting here on our last leg from Lowestoft to Whitby, but it was gentle and nice and we kind of needed a rest. Anyway, it took 40 hours, so that was quite long. Go on then, what are we doing?
So we are heading past Flamborough Head. It looks very beautiful. But look at that, there's even a little beach. But we are just really gonna keep on sailing on. Hopefully we'll catch some wind because we're currently at 2 knots.
Okay, Dee?
So we are in a roller coaster ride, quite literally. We're trying to head to Sunderland. We abandoned plans of going to Apple. We've been out to win. We've been out.
So now we're in the head of it now. We're definitely in a gale. We've got 35 knots. And they won't take us in Sunderland, so we're going to try and get north, get up to the Tyne, try and get to South Shields. After that we've got Blythe. Can't get into Amble because we've missed the tide. Good morning, it's Sunday morning. We're still in Sunderland. Got in here last night after they kindly let us stay, even though our boat is too big for this marina, but they let us come in because of the gale. Okay, so we've got 28 knots. We're buzzing up the coast. We haven't got much sail out, and we're just controlling it, bearing away. I think we've got all the main out that we can let go, but it's good. We've got this. We got Thea on the helm. What's the wind speed, Thea?
31.
All right, 31 knots of breeze. Paul on lobster watch. Mark is texting and eating.
Chilling. It's
chilling.
Beautiful. What lovely weather.
I've just been on the helm for an hour and I'm just warming up a bit. It's definitely pretty breezy today. We've got a 17-mile trip up the coast from Sunderland to Blythe, and then we'll probably all fall asleep when we get in there as well. There we go. Good afternoon, it's Tuesday. We've left Amble, which was lovely, but we ate a lot. And now we are heading for the Farne Islands, and we're going to anchor there tonight.
Spicy, it looks really not harmless.
We've got tea in the kitchen, we can't breathe. What exactly is going on down here?
I'm gassing everybody with some chili smoke. That's what.
What are we eating though?
No, so this is a stir fry and I just made like oh my god, like a meat bisque. I knew I shouldn't have cooked those chilies yet. We're gonna have spicy noodles. So they're just instant noodles, but I always jazz them up this way. With a load of, well, things. Oh my god, that chili was spicier than I expected.
It smells delicious. I can't wait, and I think no one can wait much longer.
It should be really easier. Oh my god. Let's go.
Thank you.
Give it a wave.
Bye. Bye-bye. Happy to see you. Happy to meet you.
Oh, it was so nice to meet you.
So nice to meet
yeah,
you.
again, we'll see each other again someday. Bye, Paul.